Hey everyone, Shraddha here. Today I'm going to share one important trick related to Canva. So whenever we used to make posts on Canva, so it's like sometimes we need to maintain like the same position and same font and everything on each and every slides. So it's not possible when we do it manually. Say if I have put this logo at this position, and if I go on this page and if I again try to put this logo here, so it would be hard for me to adjust the size and position like similar to previous page. If I am putting here and I want this same position and size in each and every pages of this, like of all the slides, right? So if I'll go there and if I'll like upload it again and will try to adjust the size, it would be like impossible, or say it would be hard for us to to adjust the size and position exactly like the same as if we did in previous slide. So there is a trick to do so. What we can do, just go there, tap here, okay, then put your finger on it and then press it a bit. Once you'll press it downside, you can see like in the bottom of this my phone, you can see copy paste, select multiple comment. You need to click on copy. Okay, after clicking on copy, just go to next slide or previous slide, then again tap the screen and then like press the screen downside. I am pressing it, and then downside you can see copy paste comment. So we need to click on paste option. Just go for paste and you can see the exact position that we have used like in this slide, and even the same you can see do for all. Now you need not to copy it again, you can like just press it downside and then you can paste it again. You can do it for all the slides. Just paste for all the slides, just paste. So here is this text is overlapping, so what we can do is we can go a bit upside and then we can do this. Okay, so this is one of the most wonderful tip that will help you to manage each and everything, say position, size and everything. So you, for this you can adjust the size of all these things, or here you can also keep it a bit downside, because if you won't do it, so you need to do hell lot of things, because 1 2 3 you need to adjust the air position, then red circles position you need to adjust these position, right, these 3 circles, and then you need to take these 3 pointers above side. So that's better if you are maybe minimizing the size of this logo, or maybe you can also put it on the top of it, top left or whatever it is, whatever you feel comfortable. And in this again, it's good if you are putting it in the top of it, and you can increase the size, or like size can be the same like that one. So yeah, you can do it. So that's a great tip. You can again like follow this. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. If you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.